Hello everyone, in this video I will answer a student's question. The student is asking how can all the components on the same product rotate in one direction and each product rotates in one direction. Here I will explain a bit about the meaning of this question. Here what the student wants to ask is, for example with this size S, if the collar part here is turned to the right, then all the other components, the upper part of the shirt, will also be turned to the right. On the other hand, for example, with size M, if the collar is turned to the left, then all the other components, the upper part, will also be turned to the left. So size M is turned one way and size S is turned the other way. So the very first thing you need to do here is go ahead and click on the Global Info button for me. And then select all of these various components to have the same orientation. You will notice right here, there's a line called On Marker Rotation. You will click on two-way here, or you can see here there are options for one-way, two-way, four-way, eight-way, so select one-way for me. First, we need to think ahead and set all these components to rotate in the same direction. After that, you will try assembling the layout. You will click on the Start Auto Netting button to try assembling the layout and see how it looks. When you assemble the final layout, you will notice that now, on the same product, all of these individual components are rotating in the exact same direction. However, there is still an issue. All the different sizes and all the various products are also oriented in that same direction. Consequently, this still does not fully address the core of your question. So now, what should we do, for example, so that for size M, the collar faces to the right, and for size L, the collar faces to the left? You should click stop now. I will click stop on this layout. And as you observe, you'll see here there's a line called Open Style. You can click on it or use Shift, that's right. So look here, there's a path, right? You should double click on it with the left mouse button. Here, you should think about it like this. For any size that you want to reverse, look to the right where it says Set Width and enter the number 1 here for me. For example, if you also want to reverse size M, enter the number 1 here for me. If you want to reverse size XL, enter the number 1 here for me. So for any size that you want to reverse, in this column here, enter the number 1 for me. After that, click OK. OK. Now click this Assemble Layout button so you can experience it right away. Okay? There, you can see it now. For each size where we select the number 1, its direction will be reversed compared to normal. So this collar part will turn to the left. Can you see that? As for any size that we leave as is, with the number 0, this collar part will turn to the right. And notice one more thing, this is all on the same product. Yes, on the same product. Here I'm making the colors very distinct so you can see clearly. Each of these colors represents a different product. So if you look each color, if you look at the upper part, the top of the shirt, it will turn in a certain direction. So this is the method for laying out the pattern, where all the pieces of a product are oriented in the same direction, and each individual product is oriented in its own direction. And if you are interested in enrolling in a course on using the Optitex software, you can check out the link I have placed directly below this video. And if, after checking it out, you find that you need some further advice, you can message me via my personal Facebook, which is Dinh Duy Cuong, or through the official PDS Academy fan page. I will then provide you with additional guidance so you can enroll in the course that best suits your needs. You can also message for advice right here on the PDS Academy page. Or you can reach out via my personal Facebook page, which is Dinh Duy Cuong. I will support and provide you with further consultation.